Hello and welcome to another vlog. So guys, today's vlog is all going to be about once again Rolls-Royce boat tail. This is the part 2 of the vlog which I had posted earlier day, and if you haven't taken a look at it, if you haven't seen that vlog, I highly recommend you to go and watch that vlog so that you will get to know what this really mind-blowing amazing car is. So it's all going to be about interior today, and believe me guys, this is the party piece of Rolls-Royce, and I'm blown away by the interior and all the elements present inside it and the meticulously planned details. I'm like just I'm poof gone. Yeah, that's how great this is. So let's begin. So when I started looking for the other three cars, like these are only three cars present in the world, these Rolls-Royce boat tails, but when I found out that these three cars, apart from their body shapes and body linings, every single piece of interior is different. Yes, I'm telling you the truth. All the pieces of interiors are different, but the owner of this particular boat tail, which I'm showing you, was generous enough to let the press have a look at it, and yes, therefore we are going to take a look at it. So the interior of this boat tail is known as, the color which this interior has is known as Cote d'Azur color, and this is hand painted. Everything is handcrafted here. So when we take a look at this car in the interior, the first thing we notice is the beautiful coach lining. Yes, because it has been hand built by the hand built coach division of Rolls-Royce Motor Cars in Sussex, London. So Sussex, United Kingdom, I'm sorry. And yes, they have fitted it with various kinds of elements and various kind of details, and these are, I mean, one of the best details I have ever seen. So let's begin the interior thing. So first of all comes the thing that comes to my mind when I take a look at this car is its odometer or speedometer and its dashboard. Yes guys, this dashboard has been meticulously handcrafted, and the odometers are been crafted so well that they have been used some kind of Italian jewelry making technique has been adopted in creating these odometers and speedometers, and that's how beautiful and bespoke this car is. Second thing which you get to see here is the dashboard is really simple. It has not been decorated with extravagant or superfluous things here, but there is one thing which always admires the beauty of that dashboard is a watch. Yes, that watch is so special, so unique, that it has been handcrafted by Bouvet from Switzerland. This is a company which has handcrafted this particular watch because the owner of this boat tail is a aficionado of beautiful watches. So yes, he has handcrafted himself a watch, and there is a tale of this owner that he doesn't like to wear it while he's driving, so he places it on the dashboard. So Rolls-Royce took care of it. They fitted and embedded a tourbillon in the dashboard, which has been prepared by Bouvet, and there is a titanium sliding door, or let's say a drawer, where you can keep all the straps for the watch. Like if you, when you want to wear it, just pick up the watch, strap it up and put it on your wrist and walk away. So that's how beautiful this coach lining or this kind of details are here in this car. Well, the second most important thing here is at the rear side. So this is like I have never seen in any car. So this has the, so basically boat tail has been a inspiration because of boats. That's why it is known as boat tail, and the boats have one special thing in them. Yes, that is the cutlery, the dining area, the I mean, beautiful dining area where you can sit under a parasol and you can enjoy your dinner. Yes, that is same kind of feature has been given to this special handmade boat tail. Yes, so when we go at the rear end, if we press a button, the butterfly doors just open up, and when these butterfly doors open up, there comes the party poppers. Yes, exactly. So in there are two sections in this rear boot end of this car. So in one section there is all the cutlery, the champagne flutes, the champagne bottles, and the coolers in which the champagne bottles are placed. Everything is present for and ready to go whenever you are ready to have the drink. In the second part of the car, or the second part of the boot, there is everything related to eating things like cutleries, the plates, or let's say the salt and pepper grinders, not shakers, grinders. Yes, Rolls Royce admitted that they had made a mistake. They had made just not a mistake, it was a blunder, because billionaires and millionaires, they are tend to visit Michelin starred restaurants. And let me tell you guys one thing, in Michelin starred restaurant, there is a high weightage for salt and pepper grinders and not shakers, because the grinders are they grind you fresh pepper as well as salt for your better enhancement in your taste. And so that is the level of detail maintained by Rolls Royce for their clients. Yes, they had made a blunder, but they are not making the same blunder again. They have learned from their mistakes and they applied it, and that's what caught the eye of this owner towards Rolls Royce. So this cutlery is so unique. It has been created by a Paris, or let's say a company in France, and these company, they have created this cutlery which is so unique that it has the name of the car embedded on the, let's say, knives and the spoon. And the name of this company where the crockery has been made is Christophe Paris. And uh, these cutlery and these crockeries are bespoke. The grinders, salt and pepper grinders, are all engraved with car names, and the caviar is kept cool in a proper fridge rather than a chiller, with various other food compartments that have been tested in temperature that range from 80 to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Yes, also let me tell you one thing, that Rolls Royce has tuned this cutlery and these food and the champagne holders in such a way that when the car's butterfly doors, the butterfly doors open, the cutlery panaries, they just rise to 15 degrees in angle. So that's their angle of rising. And when these panaries rise up, so why the 15-degree, why they have created such things, like why the tables are moving in a particular direction. This is all certain adjustments made by the Rolls Royce, because let me tell you guys, Rolls Royce has tested this car at 155 miles per hour with fully loaded cutlery and these champagne bottles, and they have taken care that these things will not rattle. That is 250 kilometers per hour. And they made certain adjustments, certain tweakings and tunings in these cutlery holders so that there is no noise. And as usual, Rolls-Royce is famous for the silence in the cabin, and the only noise which you hear in the cabin of Rolls-Royce is the ticking of the clock. Exactly. So the one more thing I have been really excited to tell you about is the parasol. Yes, there is a parasol in this car, and it gets folded inside the car's boot. And whenever you press a button, it just comes up. It's like made up of a high tensile strengthened fabric, and it provides the shade just like what you experience in a beautiful yacht. Yeah, That's how meticulous planning and the eye for the detail has been given to this car by its owner and by Rolls-Royce. Yes, and there is a beautiful carbon fiber weave which is colored in blue color in the rear bumper of this car and on some other parts of the car. But most importantly, there are two stools present in the car which come with the car, so that you can sit down on the stool under the parasol and enjoy your um, that food, so that you don't feel left out of it. And these stools have been handcrafted with collaboration with a Italian furniture maker and by the Rolls-Royce. And there is a nice beautiful twist in the carbon fiber of these stools. That's how bespoke they are. That's how beautifully crafted these stools are. And these tools are so lightweight, and they are like you can fold it and keep it anywhere. That's how beautifully crafted and handcrafted these tools are. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this information and the news and the quick quirks and facts about this Rolls-Royce boat tail given by me. And it's time to end the vlog. I'll see you in the next vlog. So till then, take care and I'll see you later. Ciao.